respond to an activity on Seesaw. First, when you log into Seesaw, make sure you've logged in as a student and select your name from the class list. You can see I'm logged in here as Miss B. When you first sign in, you should be on your journal page. This shows all the work that you've completed so far. To respond to an activity, you need to go to the right-hand side and click Activities. This will show all the work that you currently have assigned. So if I look down here, I can see all of the assignments that I need to complete. Here we'll complete right now the English inferencing activity. You can see here's the title of it, and then here's a set of instructions telling me what to do. Some activities might have an example here that you can click and open, and it will give you a bit more information. And close. Once you've read the instructions and you're ready to respond, click the green Add Response button. This activity has a template already attached to it, and so I have a few options on how I want to reply. You can either use the pen tool or the pencil tool here. I would suggest it'd be quite difficult to write a response to comprehension questions like this using those tools, so they probably wouldn't be the best one for this type of activity. Your best bet would be using the text tool here. So if I click on the T, a text box will open. Then I can write my response. To change the size, you just need to click outside of the text box, and then clicking on the corner, you can make it smaller. You could pull it out longer to fit the area, and then drag it underneath the question that it is responding to. Some families have chosen that it's easier to print off a template that's been included. If you've printed it off and written your response that way, you can then take a picture using a camera phone and then upload the image by clicking this icon, the camera here, and then click upload, and you'll have an option to add your picture there. Then you can either place the picture just on top of the template, or by clicking over here, you can navigate between pages, add a new blank page to include your picture. If you would like to take a break before submitting your work to your teacher, you can click the orange tick in the corner that says draft. That will save your work, and you can go back to it before handing it in to your teacher. When you are finished, you can click here on the green tick, and that will submit your work to your teacher, and they can leave you feedback. Hope you found this helpful.